Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to withdraw USDT from Bybit and transfer it to your Wise account using a trusted third-party exchanger like boomchange.com. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to boomchange.com. Select USDT TRC20 as your cryptocurrency and choose Wise as your payout method. Enter the amount you want to exchange and click Exchange to continue. Next, enter your Wise account, email, and your email address for updates. Review the details, agree to the terms, and click Confirm. Now, go to your Bybit account, then Assets, now Funding, choose your cryptocurrency like USDT, then click Withdraw. Paste the USDT address from Boom Chains, choose TRC20 and enter the amount you wish to send. Confirm the withdrawal. Once you have sent the crypto, go back to Boom Chains and tap I have paid. Transactions are usually completed within 10 to 60 minutes. If you don't have a Wise account yet, check the link in the description to sign up for free. You might even get a bonus offer on your first transfer. And that's it. You have successfully transferred crypto from Bybit to Wise using Boomchains. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.